really exciting vlog. Bit of a random pick up the camera moment. Bit of a sort of like impromptu decision, would you say? Yeah, there's Ben, by the way. So today, we are going to have a look at a new car. Well, not just any car, a pretty special car. It is a car that I have wanted for about 12 months, but always thought that it was out of reach. So today, if today goes to plan, today goes to show that if you set your mind to something, you can smash it, you can achieve it. AKA, a husband like mine. Don't leave that bit in though. So yeah, I'm super excited. Ben's super excited. Do I say hi?
Hi.
Ben's really excited. I'm not gonna tell you what the car is or anything until we get there. Hopefully I'll be able to show you clips of it when we get there. But this vlog will probably be filmed over a few days because I don't think we'll be driving away in it today. Don't think we're that lucky to drive away in it today.
And it's snowing.
But yeah, it has snowed, like really snowed really badly where we live. So it's not a car that I would be wanting to drive home in the snow, put it that way. So we are off to Zenith Performance, and they are an MGB. No, they're not. They're really not. They are an AMG specialist. So that's all I'm going to tell you. If you know about cars, then have a guess what you think it is that we're going to have a look at. And I'm excited. I'm starving. I've not had anything to eat because I'm too excited that I can't eat. So I'm hoping that we can have some kind of celebratory something after takeaway. Like, what do you reckon?
Yeah, maybe. Let's
like a celebratory takeaway McDonald's. Maybe something a bit more better than that. So anyway, I'm going to shut up because I'm excited and I can't stop rambling. We are... what are we? Half an hour away, so not far. Super excited. Don't think I have anything else to tell you. Can you think of anything else to say?
no, not at the moment.
No, so I will check in with you guys hopefully when we get there, if not when we've actually seen it, and update you on everything. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, so it's the following day. I wasn't able to film inside yesterday because of obviously COVID. It didn't seem right. So we purchased the car. We did it all last night over the internet and this morning, so it's all sorted. We've just got to click and collect. And yeah, so you'll just see we've driven up here. We're going to go in. I'm going to show you the car because I can see that they've put me pink balloons on it, which is cool. So the two guys that we dealt with at Zenith Performance were Raj and Bally. And as we were leaving, Raj was like, "Oh, what colour balloon do you want on it?" And I thought it was joking, so I was like, "Oh, pink." And then literally we pulled up and it's got pink balloons on it, and it looks like a pink bow as well.
It does. Well, it's sat right in front of us, isn't it?
Yeah.
In the showroom.
Yeah.
So.
But I'm not gonna. I'll show you in a minute. So, yeah, I'm just gonna take you through the. I'm just gonna take you along with me, basically, of picking up the car, and then when we get home, I'll show you in more detail, obviously, inside, and tell you all about the process and where we had it from. Happy?
Excited?
Yeah, very excited. Are you?
I'm excited for you. Yeah.
I think what I've decided is Ben is going to drive it home because I've never driven it before and it's still got snow on the ground, so I'm going to play it safe. Although I don't know if having you drive it is playing it safe, to be honest.
So. I think we'll be all right, won't we?
So yeah, Ben's going to drive the new car home and I will drive his. So yeah, I will, no doubt there'll be clips now of you seeing my car and I will catch up with you in a bit. Guys, look, can you spot it? With the balloons. Oh, I'm so excited. Here she is. Look at the balloons. Hold on. Look at my balloons. Here she is. Let me just put my bag down. Look at that. Put balloons on, look. Look. I love it. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's very nice, isn't it?
Yeah. We've had the car for a few days now. I wanted to obviously just have a play with it, have a drive of it before I jumped on and gave you an update on it. Yeah, pretty in love with it, to be fair. What would you say, Ben?
Yeah, it's a special car, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. So I don't know if you can tell from the footage, but we got a CLA45 AMG. I just wanted to pop on and tell you a bit about where we got it from. So we got it from Zenith Performance in Wolverhampton. We obviously got it before stricter restrictions came in, but if you, for example, if you do see a car on their website, which I'll link down below, that you're interested in, then they do have the option, I believe, for click and collect. Obviously the only downside to that is you don't get to really see the car, but they do source pretty amazing, perfect cars, even if I do say so myself. They only deal with, I believe, one owner. Have I said that right? One previous owner.
Yeah, low mileage.
Low mileage. Sorry, that's Ben. He's playing with his drone today. So we've come out to
we're at Slater's.
We're at Slater's, and look, sorry Ben, just move your head. Yeah, it's 4-wheel drive, so we're not going to get stuck, I don't think. Yeah, we just come out to get some drone shots. Ben just wanted to play with his drone, and yeah, we just stumbled on this car park, which is pretty nice. So yeah, they obviously have different finance options, source decent cars, they prep them for you. Ben found out that they're actually not commission based, is that right?
Yeah.
So they don't work on commission, therefore there's not that pushy sales tactic which you get in every single garage. Would I be right in saying that?
Yeah.
So at one point it was kind of like, we were like, oh well, we really want the car, like can we put a deposit down? They were like, oh no, you know, just come over, come and have a look at it. And I'm like, oh, but I don't want anybody else to have it. It's like, no, just come over, have a look at it, and we'll take it from there. So we did everything, as I mentioned before, we did everything online after we'd actually physically seen the car. So they're not commission based, so you get treated really well, I would say. They even put balloons on my car. Like, who does that, really? We didn't even ask them to. They put balloons and a bow on, which is really sweet. So shout out to Raj and Bally, because they looked after us. And Bally knows everything there is to know about cars. So if you wanted to find out any information, then he's your guy. If anybody out there is interested in the CLA45 AMG and wants more videos on it or any information about it, then comment down below and let me know, and that is something that we'll do. Obviously this is not a car channel, Ben is the car man anyway, so whether Ben sets up an Instagram page or whatever, I don't know about that yet. So yeah, Ben is just flying his drone. I really want a coffee, like I need a bit of a pick-me-up, a bit of a boost. I'm really tired after the Christmas shenanigans, even though we've not done anything or gone anywhere. We've got a 3-year-old, so it's been go, 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 hasn't it?
It's it, yes.
We took the tree down the other day and he was like, Mummy, where's the tree gone? Oh, until next Christmas it's come down. He wasn't very happy, was he?
Not at all.
Ben's concentration face.
Just trying not to crash the drone into the car.
Yeah, don't do that. That would be not very good. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Like I say, it was kind of random, it was impromptu, and I'm not doing it to show off or anything like that. It's just, I just wanted to document this for myself, because while it's a pretty big thing that we've achieved together, and we've worked hard to make it happen, and it's not a braggy showing off type of video at all. It's just documenting it for myself so that I've got it in years to come to show Sebby, who loves the car just as much as we do. Concentration, don't crush the drone. They also chucked us a full tank of fuel in as well. And I should mention, they sanitised the vehicle, so the vehicle is completely sanitised before you go and see it. There is hand gel, which you have to do your hands, and wipes and sprays and all that good stuff. And then once we confirmed that we wanted to purchase the vehicle, they sanitised it all, left it be, and then offered to put us a full tank of fuel in, which was thanks guys. But because it had already been sanitised, they then followed us to the petrol station and topped it up for us, because, well, it had already been sanitised. So they're really COVID secure, they take it really, really seriously. And when we went to pick it up, we obviously asked if we could get some video footage, and they kindly let us, and they went upstairs out the way so that we could then get the footage that we needed. So they were really accommodating. I can't fault them, to be honest with you. Really, really easy, pleasant transaction, and definitely going to keep in touch with them, because I see myself hopefully getting cars from them in the future, would you say?
Yeah, I would say
that's
so.
how confident I am in them. I will link them below. Go and have a look, go and have a mooch. Yeah, and if you do ring them and speak to Raj or Bally, then say Olivia and Ben sent you. Say hi. Yeah, I'm going to shut up waffling now, and no doubt we'll go into, are we going into some more clips, or are we saying bye? I don't know, so I'll say thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, it is a different video, but if you enjoyed it, then let me know, because that would be good. Ben looks like he's lost his drone, so looks like I need to go and help him find it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, then that would be ace. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm waiting for you to go bye.
Bye.
No, it doesn't do it as good as me.